Take a ride in the 2023 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, daytime running lamps, luggage rack. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, remote start, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats, fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.